This is the day, guys. Ito yung venue. Let's explore Balay Kobo. Ayan, dito titignan natin kung how big is the space for the 60th birthday of my husband is coming October 23. Ayan, it's a retirement birthday.
Sister SP, may camera doon sa baba. Ay, kung kaya ko po. Sige, sige. Ito, pigdot mo ito. Oo. Naka-video siya. Ito.
So yan guys, ito yung magiging venue ng ganapang birthday celebration. My husband is coming October 23 and we are hoping na maging successful. Kasi ito yung pinakamalapit na ritual in our place. Like, di ba, na malayo pa sa Sinang, like that, sa Tagaytay. But then this one, it takes one night only from our place. So, it's open and we are doing it na yung package niya, it takes 70K venue and the food for 100 bucks and yung iba pang amenities yung like that yung sa MC sa free sa decoration is different. So guys, thank you for watching yan, magkaroon na kami ng pencil reservation after 2 weeks.
Kasi may nakita ko dun sa loob na balay.
Venue. Ayan siya. Sa loob ay this place is for events lang talaga siya. Nag-manage.
Sino may-ari?
Everyday na kayo. But then,
At least maganda ito kasi
special reservation.
Kaya hindi ba mainit? Kunwari, hindi mainit.
By
Pag
one of the celebrities.
open air siya.
So, meron kang ganitong venue. Magiging magandang investment. Kasi yung for the celebration, wedding celebration, like that. So, ito po yung Balay Kobo in front of the Risa Homes. Along the way of Molina Paliparan Road, going to SM. So, malapit siya ng Paradise. Thank you guys. Ito po yung space niyo. Looking forward for this special event na yun lang. Kasi kung may 60
tayo ng
birthday yung retirement birthday.
Okay, space man lang ang parking
And
nila.
then sa mga
Saan ito kaya ganun?
like parking once again. And it's very wide parking. Like overall parking. Sa mga natin or pupunta na mayroong mga sakit. So, hindi po yung problema yung parking. At the same time, it's along the way of the
Kasi mag-60 nga si Pastor.
Molina Paliparan at the highway siya.
Hindi ko alam eh. Ako, kita mo na yung Balay Kubo dun sa likod ng gate 18.